Hiking Death Valley in summer is often lethal. Here is exactly how to plan a safe, spectacular trip during the prime window of November to March. The hottest place on Earth isn't marketing, it's physics. Do not hike here from May through September. The only safe window is November through March, when highs average a perfect 65 to 75 degrees. Entry is $30 per vehicle unless you have an annual pass. Pay at the kiosks. There are no gates. Download offline maps immediately because cell service dies the moment you leave the Furnace Creek hub. Accommodations are scarce. Furnace Creek is central but expensive. Stovepipe Wells is cheaper but 30 minutes north. Gas inside the park costs significantly more, so fill up in Beatty or Lone Pine before entering. Start your hiking at Golden Canyon. It's 3 miles round trip to the spectacular Red Cathedral. The parking lot fills by 9 a.m., so arrive early to beat the crowds and the midday sun. For a geology focus, drive near Stovepipe Wells for Mosaic Canyon. This is a 4-mile trek through polished marble narrows. The first half-mile requires minor scrambling, but offers the best views. You can't visit without walking Badwater Basin, 282 feet below sea level. There is no official end to this trail. Walk out at least 1 mile to escape the trampled path and see pristine salt polygons. Save your legs for sunrise at Zabriskie Point and sunset at Dante's View. Dante's View sits at 5,475 feet, offering a staggering vertical drop view straight down to the basin floor. Even in winter, the dry air dehydrates you instantly. The rule is strictly 1 liter of water for every hour of hiking per person. Keep 5 gallons of extra water in your car for emergencies. Here is your optimized 2-day flow. Day 1 focuses on the central highlights around Furnace Creek, while Day 2 moves north toward the dunes and Mosaic Canyon. Before you go, screenshot this checklist. Verify your spare tire is inflated, pack a wide-brim hat, carry a satellite communicator if possible, and double-check those offline maps. Download the complete Death Valley gear checklist in the description below.